nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric. Thought it was time for another update on the garage repairs, the garage renovations. And we are getting real close. It's raining a little bit out here, so let me go inside and I'll show you around. Oh yeah. Just finishing up, covering up stuff with wood. Got to make a few more cuts there and get a piece in like that. But as you can see, yeah, buddy, we're almost there. I've started putting paint on these boards here. It's going to take a few coats because we got like the cheapest paint known to mankind, but that's all I can afford right now. And then we've got some lights hung temporarily. And I don't think I ever really showed the finished product, the concrete. All that was gravel. And of course all this was 4 feet higher than it is right now. So that's all concrete. Pretty cool. So I'm painting in here. It's raining. Got some water collecting because I left the door open when we had a massive storm. But overall I'm pretty happy with it. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. But it is what it is. And bought one new thing for the garage once, or the shed here once it's done. A little storage shelf here. This was on clearance over at the store. It was like $100-something, and we got it for 23 bucks on clearance. So that was a good deal. So I'll be doing some paint. Got the roller out and everything. And I'm going to probably have to do 2 or 3 coats, but that's okay because I got the 5 gallons worth, and this stuff doesn't last unless it's stored inside. Paint just doesn't make it here very long. So that's it. Let me take you over to the other side here before the rain really picks up. And I will show you the other side because the other side's pretty much done. We've already got stuff brought back in, okay? And then up here we finished graveling up in this area. And the roof is completely on now. Sorry I'm moving quickly on this video, but it is sprinkling and I don't have the money to replace this camera by any means. This is going to get dug out and put across there, but here's the back side here. And you can see we've got snow tires stacked up already. And there's the compressor. I've got it hooked to power and everything, but I've got to run the airline back up and over to where it was. There's that Harbor Freight 1 1/4 cubic yard or cubic foot, I guess it would be, cement mixer. And holy cow, did that thing earn its keep. Never would have been able to do this project without it. So real happy with that. And then a single LED light here with a pull string that runs to that one outlet. That outlet is covered by a switch inside. So turn on the switch, it activates the compressor and turns on the light to remind you that it's on. So that's kind of cool. And that's it. We're not going to be we're not walling the inside of this or anything. We're just going to leave it just like it is right there. And I got to do on the outside still. I'll show you just real briefly. We've still got to put vinyl siding up there and finish the gutter work and stuff. But you can see the roof is finished, all done. Pretty awesome. Anyway, that'll do it for today. I'll probably give one last wrap-up video here when everything's back in place, everything's finished. I've got some new shop equipment I'll be sharing with you on the other channel. So stick around. Take care.